Niggas should fucking know. We don't fucking play games. Further flawless alongside the great turn, you know. Yeah. I say that we can take it real high. I say that we can take it real low. But the rather take it fucking high, yeah, fucking high. I say that we can take you high, and we can take you low. But I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now go low. You know, I'm a pro, and this is always fucking go. We smoke a lot of fucking high grade, you know. I said that we can take you high, but we can take you low. But I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now go low. You know, we a pro, and this is always fucking go. We smoke some lot of fucking high grade, you know, yeah. In my pocket full of high grade. In my fucking bedroom, high grade. In my fucking restroom is high grade. A fucking booze full of high grade. Ain't the fucking shy grade. My high grade don't give you migraine. My high grade easy fucking migraine. Forgot headache, oh it's fucking easy pain. I say that we can take you high, but we can take you low. But I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now go low. And for know, we're pro, and this is always fucking go. I smoke a lot of fucking high grade, and no, I said we can take you high, but we can take you low. But I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now go low. You should know, I'm a pro, and this is always fucking go. I smoke a lot of fucking high grade, and now, yeah, looking the fucking high, ain't fucking shy, but a lot of weed, yeah, looking the fucking high grade, this is real deal. You know it's a fucking deal. Raw deal, fraud deal, hard deal. Motherfucker shitting on your list to get squeezed high. Cause we can take you low, but I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now on the low. But you know, when I pro, and this is always fucking low. I smoke a lot of fucking high grade, you know. I said that we can take you high, but we can take you low. But I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now on the low. You know, when I pro, and this is always fucking low. I smoke a lot of fucking high grade, you know. It's like a food. My weed is like a fruit. Smell it just like a fruit. Oh, like a fruit cake. Oh, like fucking mango too. Oh, it's my brain food. Motherfucker, don't run with my brain food. You fucking fools, you fucking fools. One drop, yeah, you know the fucking rules. Don't fuck yourself, niggas. With my fucking high grade, niggas. You need to get fucking spray, niggas. Spray from the fucking gut. I say that we can take you high, but we can take you low. But I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now go low. You know, I'm a pro, and this is always fucking goes. Motherfucking niggas, you should know. We can take you high, but we can take you low. But I'd rather take it high, cause gangsters now go low. You should know, I'm a pro, and this is always fucking go. I smoke a lot of fucking high grade, and now, nigga, in my room full of high grade, in my bedroom full of high grade, in my bathroom full of high grade. No, it's freestyle week, freestyle grade, freestyle. You know, my freestyle ain't fucking cheap. My freestyle ain't no fucking freaks. You fucking dude, don't get my fucking rude. Get me in the fucking killing mood. Niggas.